Hello and welcome back to Burn It Down Media. My name is Christopher, and around these parts, I like to react to anything that gives you goosebumps or anything that just makes you feel nostalgic. Now, I want to continue this beautiful, beautiful Rush journey. This is going to be fun. This one is Fly By Night. I think we could get some absolute goosebumps on this one. I'm just having a blast just reacting to everything Rush, literally. I really love Rush. I love, Neil Peart on the drums is just unbelievable. I'm telling you, man, there's something about this band. Geddy Lee, his voice just brings so much joy to my soul and to my spirit. And I needed this. I didn't realize how much I needed Rush in my life. You know what I mean? So let me get my headphones on. Thank you for all the comments. Let's get some goosebumps. I love the hair. Love the style. I love Geddy. Just the second that he comes in, just his voice is just like so beautiful. Drums just hit me. The ship isn't coming. Oh. I'm after. It's changing every day. Changing the seasons and not for the reason. I gotta go back. I'm sorry. I gotta go back. Oh, I love that part.
I find what I'm after. It's changing.
Nope. Gotta go back further.
Start a new chapter. I find what I'm after. It's changing every day.
Oh.
Changing the seasons and not for the reason to want to get away.
Oh, beautiful.
Quiet and pensive, my thoughts apprehensive. The hours drift away.
Oh, he touches my soul.
Leaving my homeland, lying alone, and my life begins today.
Oh.
Fly by night away from here. Change my life again. Fly by night, goodbye, my dear. My ship isn't coming and I just can't pretend. My ship isn't coming and I just can't pretend. Fly by night away from here.
My ship isn't coming and I just can't pretend. This is poetry. This is going up there with one of my favorites.
My ship is a-coming and I just can't pretend.
That was one of the best experiences. I just absolutely needed that today. Wow. What a tune! That is exactly what I searched for, my friends. Tunes like that. Wow, Rush is so brilliant, so healing. This is going to be a journey, my friends. Make sure you join me. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Remember, it's one day at a time, but we're in this together, so it makes it that much easier. I love you all, and I'll see you on the next one. And Rush.